Nutralife Gummies claim to offer a science-backed solution for reducing bacterial vaginosis, BV, unwanted odor, and discomfort. Marketed as a natural way to restore feminine balance, these gummies have gained attention among women looking for an alternative to traditional supplements. But do they really work, or is this just another overhyped product? What are Nutralife Gummies? Nutralife Gummies are designed to support vaginal health by maintaining a balanced pH and promoting healthy bacteria in the body. They contain probiotics, prebiotics, and natural extracts known for their benefits in supporting feminine wellness. These gummies are also formulated to be easy to consume with a pleasant taste, making them a convenient option for daily use. Do Nutralife Gummies really work? Customer reviews for Nutralife Gummies are mixed. Many users report positive results, claiming that they noticed improvements in odor, discomfort, and overall feminine health within a few weeks of use. Others, however, feel that the product did not deliver noticeable benefits. Here are some key points from user feedback. Positive reviews. Users have praised the gummies for helping with persistent odor and discomfort, making them feel more confident. Some have also reported a boost in overall gut health, which is linked to vaginal health. Critical reviews. Some customers have mentioned that they did not experience significant changes after using the gummies, while others pointed out that results vary from person to person. Is Nutralife legit and safe? Nutralife appears to be a legitimate brand, as it is sold through its official website, trynutralife.com, and other verified retailers. The ingredients used in Nutralife Gummies are natural and generally safe for most people. However, some individuals may experience mild digestive discomfort when first introducing probiotics into their routine. To ensure safety, it's best to follow the recommended dosage provided on the product label. Consult a healthcare professional if you have underlying health conditions or are pregnant/nursing. Purchase from trusted sources to avoid counterfeit products. Is Nutralife a scam? There is no clear evidence to suggest that Nutralife is a scam. However, it's essential to be cautious when purchasing any health-related product online. Always buy directly from the official website, trynutralife.com, or trusted retailers to ensure you receive a genuine product. Nutralife Gummies may be a helpful addition to a feminine health routine, but results can vary. If you're considering trying them, consult with a healthcare provider to ensure they align with your needs. For best results, pair them with a healthy lifestyle and balanced diet. Thank you for watching this video, and I really appreciate your feedback to improve creativity in creating positive and useful content for many people.